everyone, welcome back again for another makeover project, and today I'm going to show you my dining and living room walkway. First things first, remove everything and then clean it up. Clean the walls, remove all the dust and possible oil sticking on the paint. And then you can put painter's tape in the edges so when you do your painting it's not leaking or overlapping the colors. And also the stuff that I am using right now is my leftover paints from my bedroom and my bathroom, so I don't need to buy a new one. So now I'm gonna assemble my cabinet, the one that I got from IKEA. It's a stall shoe storage, and after that I'm gonna screw it to my wall. And another IKEA finds a photo frame birch effect. It's 5x7 size with a 4x6 picture, and it's $3.99. And I already put the nails on it, and I put tape for my marking so everything is the same distance and leveled. And here is the before and after look. And there you have it. Please like, support, share, and subscribe. And thank you, and see you again for the next DIY makeovers. Bye!